Suppose I am working in this file and I want to add a partition over here, and for that I pick the line tool and draw a 6 feet line. Now I don't want this line to be a straight line or continuous line, and I want it to be a zigzag line to represent a temporary partition. For that I have to change the line type of this line. And I am going to use property panel to do that, which is placed over here. And this is where you can find different line types that you can assign to the geometry. You can click this and load more line types by clicking load button, where you will find many more line types to choose from. And one I am looking for is right here at the bottom. I will select it and hit OK. You can see it is here now. I will click OK. Now you can find it here as well. What you have to do now is to select the line and then select the line type that you just loaded, and you can see that the line that is representing a temporary partition is now changed to a zigzag line type. Hit escape to come out of the selection mode. Let's change this line to a dashed line. For that we will again come here and click other and then click load. We'll select this line type, hit OK. Hit OK again. Now select the line and choose the line type you just loaded and hit escape. The continuous line is now changed to a dashed line.